8 Instagram Trends for 2024 show a dynamic and evolving landscape, reflecting users' changing preferences and the platform's innovations. Here's a summary of key trends. 1. Text posts gain popularity. Despite Instagram's visual nature, text posts, including memes and screenshots of tweets, are trending. These low-maintenance content forms are highly shareable and can enhance engagement. 2. Instagram shopping. Businesses can directly weave their stories into product themes and finalize transactions within the app, offering a seamless shopping experience. This bypasses the need for third-party processors, simplifying the purchase process for users. 3. Content creators era. Instagram has bolstered its support for content creators with new features, empowering them to engage audiences and collaborate with brands effectively. This trend underscores the growing influence of creators on the platform. 4. AR filters and direct links. Augmented reality, AR, filters continue to transform user interactions, while direct links in content, stories, and bio help drive traffic and increase sales. These features make content more engaging and actionable. 5. Live streaming and community focus. Instagram live rooms for real-time interaction and a focus on building communities through exclusive content highlight the importance of engagement and connection. The platform encourages deeper interactions between users and content creators. 6. AI-generated tools and SEO. The introduction of AI-generated tools and a stronger emphasis on SEO strategies suggest Instagram is focusing on discoverability and content quality. These trends aim to enhance user experiences and content relevance. 7. Embracing imperfection. The popularity of photo dumps and less curated feeds indicates a shift towards authenticity. Users appreciate more genuine snapshots of life, moving away from polished aesthetics. 8. Brand partnerships and UGC creators. Instagram is likely to increase monetary incentives for influencers, making brand partnerships and affiliate marketing easier. User-generated content, UGC creators are also on the rise, offering a cost-effective solution for brands seeking authentic content. These trends reflect Instagram's ongoing efforts to cater to diverse user preferences, enhance engagement, and provide new opportunities for brands and content creators. They highlight the platform's adaptability and its role in shaping digital marketing and social media interactions.